Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
Welcome to this deep dive into modern AWS data pipelines. In this video, we'll explore how organizations build scalable, serverless, and cost-optimized data architectures on AWS. From ingestion and orchestration to analytics and machine learning, you'll learn how services like AWS Glue, Step Functions, Redshift, Athena, and Amazon S3 work together to process massive amounts of data without managing infrastructure. Whether you are preparing for cloud interviews, data engineering roles, or real-world architecture design, this blueprint will help you understand the complete AWS data journey. Traditional data pipelines required teams to provision servers, monitor scaling, manage clusters, and handle infrastructure failures manually. Modern serverless architectures completely change that model. AWS serverless data pipelines automatically scale based on incoming data volume while reducing operational overhead and infrastructure management. This approach improves reliability, reduces costs, and aligns closely with AWS well-architected best practices for scalability, performance efficiency, and operational excellence. Let's trace the complete modern AWS data pipeline architecture. The journey begins with ingestion, using services like AWS DMS or Amazon Kinesis. The incoming data is then stored in Amazon S3 data lakes. AWS Glue performs distributed processing and transformation using Spark-based ETL pipelines. AWS Step Functions orchestrate the entire workflow, coordinating dependencies and automation. Finally, analytics platforms such as Amazon Redshift and Amazon Athena enable large-scale business intelligence and interactive querying. A common best practice in modern data engineering is the Medallion Architecture. The bronze layer stores raw incoming data directly from databases, APIs, or event streams. The silver layer focuses on cleansing and normalization by removing nulls, validating formats, and standardizing schemas. Finally, the gold layer contains highly optimized and business-ready datasets designed for analytics, aggregations, reporting, and machine learning. This layered approach improves governance, reliability, and data quality across the pipeline. AWS Glue acts as the serverless processing engine for modern AWS data pipelines. It supports distributed transformations using Apache Spark and Python-based ETL jobs without requiring infrastructure management. AWS Glue integrates seamlessly with Amazon S3, RDS, and Redshift while automatically scaling compute resources based on workload size. This enables engineering teams to focus entirely on business logic and data transformation instead of server operations. The AWS Glue ecosystem consists of several tightly integrated components. Glue crawlers automatically scan datasets and infer schemas. The Glue Data Catalog serves as a centralized metadata repository, similar to Apache Hive Metastore. Glue ETL jobs transform, enrich, flatten, and deduplicate data across the pipeline. Together, these components simplify large-scale data integration while improving discoverability, governance, and automation across modern analytics platforms. One of the biggest advantages of serverless architecture is automatic scale-out. Small workloads consume minimal compute resources, while massive workloads dynamically expand processing capacity without manual intervention. AWS services automatically allocate additional infrastructure during peak demand and scale back down when workloads decrease. This elasticity allows organizations to handle unpredictable traffic while optimizing both performance and cost efficiency. Different AWS compute services solve different data engineering problems. AWS Glue is ideal for large-scale batch ETL workloads using Spark. AWS Lambda works best for lightweight, event-driven tasks and short real-time processing. Amazon EMR is designed for massive big data workloads requiring advanced open-source frameworks and custom cluster control. Choosing the correct compute engine depends on workload complexity, execution time, operational control, and scalability requirements. Traditional cron-based scheduling fails in modern cloud environments, where datasets arrive at unpredictable times. Event-driven architectures solve this challenge by triggering workflows immediately when files land inside Amazon S3 buckets. This enables real-time responsiveness while supporting complex dependencies between multiple datasets. Instead of waiting for fixed schedules, modern orchestration systems dynamically react to actual data availability. AWS Step Functions provide a low-code visual orchestration service for building resilient serverless workflows. Using Amazon States language, engineers can define complex pipelines involving retries, branching logic, parallel execution, and failure handling. Step Functions integrate seamlessly with services like Lambda, Glue, DynamoDB, and S3, enabling organizations to automate large-scale business processes with reliability and observability built in. AWS Lambda functions are limited to a maximum execution duration of 5 minutes per request. While Lambda works extremely well for lightweight, event-driven tasks, long-running ETL jobs often exceed this limit. Directly executing heavy AWS Glue transformations from Lambda can therefore lead to timeout failures. This limitation introduces the need for asynchronous orchestration patterns that separate job execution from monitoring responsibilities. To overcome Lambda timeout limitations, modern pipelines implement the ETL runner pattern. Instead of waiting for completion, Lambda simply starts the Glue job, stores execution metadata inside DynamoDB, and exits immediately. Step functions and periodic polling mechanisms later verify job completion asynchronously. This decoupled architecture enables highly reliable, long-running workflows while preserving serverless scalability and fault tolerance. In a fully event-driven pipeline, Amazon S3 event notifications trigger orchestration workflows the moment datasets arrive. Parallel processing branches independently transform sales and marketing datasets before joining them later in the workflow. This architecture ensures dependencies are respected while maximizing concurrency and reducing overall processing time. Event-driven orchestration creates highly scalable and responsive data platforms for modern enterprises. Once data has been processed and optimized, analytics services transform raw information into business insights. Amazon Redshift provides a fully managed cloud data warehouse optimized for high-performance reporting and BI dashboards. Amazon Athena enables serverless querying directly on top of S3-based data lakes without requiring data movement. Together, these services power scalable analytics, ad hoc exploration, and enterprise intelligence platforms. Amazon Redshift achieves high-performance analytics through columnar storage and massively parallel processing, also known as MPP. Instead of reading entire rows, Redshift scans only the required columns during query execution, dramatically improving performance. Workloads are distributed across multiple compute nodes simultaneously, enabling organizations to process petabytes of data efficiently for large-scale business intelligence and reporting applications. Modern data engineering increasingly follows software engineering best practices. Teams now write PySpark business logic using modular code, manage infrastructure through AWS CDK, and validate Glue jobs locally using Docker before deployment. CI/CD pipelines powered by AWS Code Pipeline enable automated testing and repeatable deployments across environments. This DevOps-driven approach improves reliability, collaboration, and scalability for enterprise data platforms. This completes the modern AWS serverless data architecture blueprint. By combining event-driven orchestration, serverless processing, scalable storage, metadata cataloging, and cloud-native analytics, AWS enables organizations to build resilient and highly scalable data platforms. These architectures reduce operational overhead, improve agility, and support real-time analytics at enterprise scale. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to subscribe for more cloud architecture, AI engineering, and modern data platform content.